We'll guide you through how to compare Notion and Asana for your project management needs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Notion website on your desktop and log into your account. Notion is known for its flexibility and customization capabilities. You can create databases, wikis, and task lists all in one place. Explore the templates available under the Templates section to see how you can adapt Notion to fit your specific workflow. You can create a project by clicking Add a Page on the sidebar, where you can choose from different types of templates, like Task List or Calendar View. Now, let's check out Asana. Open the Asana website and log into your account there. Asana is designed specifically for task and project management and excels in team collaboration. Start by creating a project from the home screen. You can choose from list, board, timeline, or calendar views. The interface is more structured compared to Notion, making it ideal for teams that need a straightforward task management system. In Asana, you can assign tasks to team members, set due dates, and track progress easily. One key feature is the timeline view, which allows you to visualize project timelines and dependencies. Asana also offers integrations with a wide range of apps to streamline your team's workflow. Both tools have their strengths, Notion with its adaptability and Asana with its project management efficiency. Consider the size of your team and the complexity of your projects when making a choice. For smaller teams or individual use, Notion's flexibility might be more beneficial, while Asana's robust project management features are great for larger teams with complex workflows. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.